Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today I bring a review of this Werk. This is in cooperation with the Musing Hobby. This is 1/35 scale, and this is a high detail static plastic model, single rockets for air PzJg 54/1, link and land plastic tracks, specific decal sheets included, and no figure included on this one. So this is the Borgward for Wanze. I hope I spell everything right. If not, sorry guys. This is a brand new kit on the market. I just take a look and I saw this one. It seems really nice. Okay, and just going around the box here too. You can see here the price on my store on Werk. So let's open this and show what we can get on these. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these. So it seems nice. We got here instructions and of course the decal sheets on this. So let's take a look of this. We got here the instructions manual, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 steps to do this little one. The interiors, I saw it, it's very simple, but if you want to open the edge, it's enough for this, and for the price it's really good. I like a lot of the details, and as you can see it's really easy. The lower hole, just putting the upper hole here and start putting some parts. This don't bring any photo edge on this one. The wheels are really simple to do, the idler and the sprocket wheels, and the rest of the wheels too. So here on the track we got here 1 and 2 big ones ready, and we got to do the rest of the links together to make the sway on this. We got here on this side, they said 23 pieces, and on the back we got 20, so it's good to know the links we are going to need. And let's hope it's have 2 or 3 more links spare, because normal one of it it's jump and it's a bad things. Okay, you can see here putting the side skirts here on. I think this is the muffler. Yeah, this is the muffler, and it's really simple. We got here launch rockets, really easy, and of course we got here to crate of the rockets, and you can do close or open as you like. On the schematics, we come here, the color profile for this one, it's for Mick Jimenez, and we got here the colors. So we got one schematic here, and let's see, 1, oh god, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, nice Soviet, like Soviets. Alright, one thing they put on this, it's really nice if you are using Ammo Mick Jimenez products. We got here all the welding stepped products, and it's have here what you are need to do and all the things you are going to need. Right, yes, this is another awesome kit they have. This one I like it, it's very small but it's awesome. This truck, it's really superb, and they have the Panthers, really nice too. So let's see now this one's okay, and as you can see they are really nice. Okay, if there are something I don't like, normally I said I don't like it, believe it. But this one, the details are really good for the price. We got no flash on these. These parts are very clean. You can see the interior, you see here. Nice details. So let's see another sprue. I think this is a sprue for mounting the rocket launcher. Alright. And yeah, it's nice. You got the details you need. Not too much, not too less, so it's really nice. And let's see the links of the threads, the wheels. So we got 2 equal sprues, 1 for each side, and as you can see right here, the quality, I think it's really awesome. Yeah. When you cut, if you have any you just build one of these, just say something on the comments, because this is one of I'm going to, it's not going to be to make this earlier, okay? So it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, it's a very simple kit and nice details. So if you are going to weathering, this is the German tanks. It's awesome to make weathering on this, and every you can do like an art on this kit. So this is from Das Werk, and in cooperation with Amusing Hobby. This box art is made by Valerie, and really nice, this one. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for receive all my videos. And if you have any questions, just ask me. And if you are Portuguese, you can buy this one on my store, or I can send you postcards for everywhere on Europe. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye, guys.